Welcome to my channel, SteveO the Window Cleaner. Today we are going to check out the Xero Delight 47-foot water-fed pole, ultra-high modulus. This pole is fully telescopic. You cannot take it apart, but I'm here to job. I'm not going to be able to fully extend to 47 feet, but about 30 feet, and just wanted to give you kind of an overview of what the pole is. It's a super light pole for a 47-footer, just a little bit over 5 pounds. As far as height wise, kind of get an idea, I'm 6'2", so about 6 inches taller than me as far as collapsible height. But super light pole. But I just wanted to hook it up here, show you guys a little bit of it from a side angle, and then from my own personal view of what the Xero Delight can offer. And hopefully down the line, when I have some sort of 4-story building, I'll use this. Usually a 47-footer can reach all 3 stories, and then can reach pretty much all 4 stories as well. 5th story, probably very iffy as far as what the building structure is. So let me show you. So what's kind of funny about this pole, because it's a longer collapsible length and it doesn't come apart, and what I mean that it doesn't come apart is that here where you hit here, you hit this gold weave, you're not going to be able to take that pole off, that section. So that's why I'm saying it's a fully telescopic, but you're not going to be able to take sections off. So due to that, it doesn't quite fit in my van. Great. So I had to take it apart. So one of the things I'm going to show you here real quickly is how I take out my hose and put my hose back in if I take out my hose from my pole. Usually I hardly ever do. Usually I have a 30-footer back here all together. 30 foot is mostly what I do. What I like to do is I have it all connected up here with the anti-spin tip. I got my univalve, got all my hosing up here. So what I do, instead of disconnecting all that, I just put this in from the top down and then just pull this out the bottom. Now one thing is if you use the base caps that these come with, you won't be able to do this as easy. It's easier to do this without the base cap. Remember, you have an end defender on this 47-foot Delight. There's only one end defender, and that's on this 9th section. And with it being a 9-section pole, you can also add a universal section for it to get 10 feet more. I just made a video on how to do that with a Xero Micro. It's the same thing. So then you just pull all the hose through your pole. I like to use my pole hose on the inside, just that if I'm going through things like trees and stuff, it doesn't get caught. And also I don't break my poles down a lot, and this is a perfect pole to do this with because you can't break it down. If you are a person that likes to run the hose on the outside, then that's just perfectly fine. Okay, so put that in here. Okay, get that. I've explained in videos, I like to just make sure that's pretty tight, and then we are good to go. So let's go hook it up to the system here. Don't ask me about this system. This is my own little DIY DI system. I have very low TDS in Colorado, so most of the time I do not need a RODI system, so it's kind of nice. What you will notice then is an extreme high level of flow due to that it is DI only. So I got about 100 foot of Xero hose here, another 100 feet here. I like this hose, but I do find that it kind of kinks a little bit. Okay, so that's good at that. Okay, so just kind of want to show you how easy it extends. Let's make sure I got good water. Oh yeah, got crazy water flow. Okay, so always extend from the top section first, so it's going to stop once again at that gold weave. It's kind of tapers, so you won't even be able to get it much further than that. I always like to fully extend my section so that it has the least amount of weight at top. That's pretty much it. It's kind of hard to show much of a water-fed pole on things like this, but a very easy pole to extend. You see it's light, so even though it's 47 feet, this is very easy to extend and to rinse. Even at 30, Some poles, even at 30, you'll feel them, and they're kind of light. I mean, they're kind of heavy as far as that goes. So that's something very nice with this pole. Real quick technique thing, like what I like to do, so when I have a bunch of windows like this, I like to just to go through, hit the frames on this level. And rinse off. Boom. So this pole is going to be really good though for commercial buildings. If you want a light pole, it's going to be best to use probably a 12-inch brush, not an 18-inch brush, but if you're going really high, an 18-inch brush can be really good for stability on the glass too. But I would consider, due to it being not as thick of a wall as the Xero Destroyer, I'd consider just doing a 12-inch brush with this, so that you don't have too much weight at the top. It's also why a lot of people use 12-inch brushes. I get many questions of, well, why should I use a 12-inch brush? Because an 18-inch brush would get done quicker. And it's just due to weight, fatigue, and getting a good solid scrub on the glass. So you see here, we're just rinsing no problem. I got a little paint shaving that doesn't want to come down. I get all that rinsed off. Right. But it's super light pole. Super nice. And now, something really impressive is that the all Xero brand water fed poles come with a 6-year warranty on the sections and clamps, which is just, it's insane. It's insane. It's crazy. Just a little bit more for this. But if you want something, you know, almost at 50 feet, Xero Destroyer is obviously going to be quite a bit heavier, not quite a bit, but heavier. And also to go above 40 feet, you're going to have to add a modular scopic extension. So if you're just doing work right around 47 feet, this could pretty much be your one pole that you use for everything. I like a thorough rinse. People say in my videos, you rinse too long. Well, here's the thing. I just like to make sure that I never have to come back. And what a lot of people miss is the rinse. This is why I love this UD wrap that's on this pole, is that when the sections go in and out, it's just super easy to work. Well, that is it as far as the Xero Delight Water Fed pole. I just wanted to give a real quick overview of kind of what the pole is and some of its features. If you are looking to buy one, you can hit me directly up at wcrwindowcleaner.com, 970-599-1437. I am a sales rep for them. You can order all your equipment through me, not just water fed pole gear. So if you're ever interested in water fed pole, you're interested in window cleaning equipment, please text me 970-599-1437. Texts are best. A lot of people message me through Instagram, Facebook, and stuff like that. They're just really weird about notifications now. So anyways, that's the Xero Delight. I hope you guys are delighted by it, and we'll check you later. Peace. Bye.